Yeah, this all the faces. This is known faces for me. Last year I was here with the baptism of baby Veloska, and I know this all the faces. I met you after 1 year. I remember you. And yeah, 1 year, 6 months. No? 6 months only. Oh, because you have done. Okay, that's what my friend was saying. It's only 4 months. I said no, 1 year. Okay, anyway, I was wrong. I have composed this song. I finished composing last night, 12 o'clock. Still, I was writing this song for them. I have composed in a different way and with a different tune. Hope you guys like it. Camera rolls up. Megan. Wow. This tari Muy no ojanera to It's so good exercise Tidak this word to jatuh bato As puedes waros tu kabota This way wara kushito Princess Veloska tu jatuh bato Ashirwad poro devato Sanjizo Igor Devato Sokari Icon Ailemis Bisontos Happy Birthday Moro Tuja Maman Papan Kelovis Nukotu Kako Patoruna Get to Jekis As Baba Dada Kusharasa Soda Subaktalio Kaitodis Baba Dada is Tuchimakta Sol Saran Sodas Asum Tupini to Clara Mogar Porot Kazar Zani Ekota Devar Aistuka Sobitur Pora Dili Poiro Jesus Lizolbona Karzak Tumchi Sotosli Veloska Tumchi Tu Zolmanetos Kusici do Karoli Veloska Duve Tukcha Korea Bogata Kawaroya Jizucha Paular Tolo Cristi Dorman Chishigotia Koride Aniritu Idiura Zakatile Takashi Goya Osledu Dinastara Jivitace Sukanu Buluya Zababdari Chi Aoi Bapui Zaunya Somazanda Kuya Ami audeta Furar tuzo za uporo Mai kanik paket nas visrot naga Mokti tuzo kotat koro Epunte chivitu caminho. Respira as letras ao foro. E por família só por duro. Dela tua silvadas de arcuro. Velos caem sobre mazar. Boraon saud kota kata. Jiwitan tu sodas kujarau. Você sodas kazan zauda. Soli famil aizektai zauda. Moro aure tatu kaupura. Wole zatu tuze famili. Ane mai pai titu zoada. Velos caem sobre mazar. Rawan sawat kota kadar. Juventude sodas kushal rao. Você sodas kazan jaudara. Sobre famílias ektai rauna. Moro aure tatu zofura. Warados tuji family. Aning mai pai titu zoada. Viva moron saud soboina. Au moron kushi jarada. Viva! Viva, 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 viva. A round of applause to this beautiful girl. Veluska, once again, round of applause. And to say some words, we have Jesus Lee. We're going to say some words for us. Bari Mudia? Come here. Come here. Stand here and say some words for everybody, okay?
I deeply on behalf of my parents, Wilfred and Clara, and my sister Vilaka, thank each one of you for your presence and blessings for my sister on her birthday. Thank you and please enjoy the party.
Wow, that was very nice of you. And we have another sir. Okay, with somebody else who can say some words.
I thank Jason and his family for coming, especially Jason and his sister coming all the way from Kent, and Mario and Zarina for the special extra food which you have cooked for us. Thank you very much.